I don't care whether you love Tanzania, you love Africa, or you're a hater. I don't care. But one thing we can all agree is that this is a massive project. Hongera Mama Samia, congratulations Tanzania. Man, this is crazy, man. Guys, I'm right here. Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to ride a new train. It has been a while. It's been a couple months since we started with this SGR thing. But right now, today, for the first time, officially, 1st of November, we are going to ride a new train, the fastest train alive in Tanzania. It's the first time, man. I'm excited. And you guys will enjoy all the experience from beginning to the end. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're here to try the very first train, man. This is gonna be exciting, man. It's gonna be exciting. I remember almost 2 months ago, I made a video of SGR and it was perfect, man. It was great. Since then, I've been riding train almost every single time when I come here to Dar es Salaam. And going to Dodoma. Today, man, it's gonna be another time because we have two different kind of trains. We have in Korea we call them kind of like KTX, right? The shape of those trains, it's very sharp front. That means also the speed of those trains a little bit more than faster than the other one, the rest of the trains. All right, guys. Now, do you see this? And look at the name. Look at the name of this one. It's called Samia Express. All right, you deserve it. You deserve it. Come on, you deserve it. Now this is Samia Express. This is what I was telling you guys. Look at the shape of this train here. Look at the shape of this train here. All right, look at this. This is what I used to see in South Korea and some other countries outside of the continent. But right now I'm seeing it in Tanzania. What are you gonna say now, yo? What are you gonna say? Another thing you have to pay attention at, man. Look at the outfit of these guys. All right, look at their outfit, man. They look amazing. They look beautiful. They look smart. They look sharp. They look, I don't know what to say, man. But this is the level of excellence. I remember there was a time we thought that nothing is possible in Africa, that something like this can never be done in the continent and in our country. But man, let me tell you otherwise. Tanzania is proving you all wrong, okay? Everything is possible and we can do it. As Africans, we can do it. Nothing is impossible and we can do it. And Tanzania is proving otherwise, that everything is possible. Kudos, man. Kudos. For here, I can say, Mama Mopiga Mwingi, congratulations. SGR right here. And if it is done in Tanzania, it can be done in your country. All right, it can be done anywhere. It can be done in the entire continent of Africa, man. Let me show you something here. It's very interesting. I think this is for the VIP or something. All right, guys, here we are, man. Look at this train, man. This is the the lawyer train, man. The lawyer train, man. Did you take a look at this? Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. This is Tanzania, man. This is Tanzania. Hongera Mama Samia. Hongera Tanzania. Jesus. Hongera Mama Samia. Congratulations Tanzania. Man, this is crazy, man. This is how you get things done, man. Am I in Tanzania right now? Look at that. Am I in Tanzania right now? Man, I can't believe this. Look at this. We're leaving now. First time. All right, guys, I don't care whether you love Tanzania, you love Africa, or you're a hater. I don't care. But one thing we can all agree is that this is a massive project. It's a massive thing that the government has done. All right. Give credits to whom it's due. And I have nothing in my heart but to give credits for this amazing project. I've been riding this train for 2 months straight right now. Every single time I come to Dar es Salaam, I don't ride nothing but the train. And it has been outrageous. It has been amazing. It has been just surreal experience. All right. And if you've been Tanzania, I think you will say, you'll confirm the same thing. All right. So kudos to the government. This is what we need. We need development, and you guys came through. All right. We don't need to go to Europe or to America to feel like, okay, this is life now. No, we can stay here. We can bring America and Europe here in the continent, Tanzania. And kudos for doing that. Kudos for doing that. Telling you, kudos for doing that. This is what it takes. It takes commitment. It takes hard work. It takes resilience. It takes understanding to do something like this. And for that, I applaud you. Apple, sofa, salted Krishnas, right there. Got a view. All right, guys, that was a nice trip. Guys, we're here. Just arrived at Dodoma from Dar es Salaam all the way to Dodoma. It has been an incredible journey. Man, it's a new train, only 3 hours and 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? 3 hours and 15 minutes. The normal train it actually takes 3 hours and 45, almost to 4 hours. But this, it's only 3 hours and 15 minutes. Great, man. Congratulations, Tanzania. I'm right here behind the camera. Mr. Poe is there. Let's go, man. Let's get out of here. Guys, you're right here. Dodoma. This is Tanzania. If you're thinking, where are we right now? This is Tanzania. And I just landed in Dodoma, my home, my town. Man, show them that train right there. See, this is the first trip. You see, they're kind of like doing interviews there. All the medias, they're right there doing interviews. Well, guys, here we are, man. Welcome to Tanzania. What is, man? Ask me questions. Ask me questions, man. You're the journalist. Ask me questions. Ask me questions. Huh?
So how was your trip?
Man, the trip was incredible. The trip was amazing. One thing about this new train, all right, the loyal seats, man, they can actually turn. So you can sit on the seat and just kind of like try to turn around here and there. You can do that. You can do that. It's really good. It's really nice. The first time, man, I'm just so excited that the first trip of this train, I was in there.
So they only have loyal and regular?
Only loyal and regular. So it's 150K and 120K.
That's too expensive.
That's the only price.
The service inside?
The service is good, man. I mean, they gave us food. Like you have a little apple, you have something like muffin, and then you have tea, coffee, milk, whatever you like, and then they give you water at the end of the day. So basically, it's kind of like breakfast and meal at the same time. It was really nice. Nice food. The customer service was amazing. Everybody in the train, man, they're really clean. They're very sharp. They know what they do. As you can see, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Now I understand why the name is Samia Express. All right. A nice service, man. Eh? You want to ask me more? Guys, all right. This is Tanzania, Africa. And this is what I'm saying, man. All Africans should be proud and should celebrate what is happening in this country, man. You know why? Because we are doing it. All right. A lot of times they say we cannot do it. They cannot do it. They don't know what they do. They need help. They need support. You know what? We're doing it. Because I remember this project when it started, man. People, they refused to support us. But you know what? Not because we were not able to do it on our own, but because we just wanted to partner with, with some other people out there. But they refused. As a result, man, at that time, President John Pombe Magufuli started to do it on his own. You know what I'm saying? He started to do it on his own with our own money, Tanzanian money. Eventually, here we are, man. It's done. And it's still not yet completed. Man, we'll be able to go to Mwanza, man. The first trip all the way to Mwanza, we're going to go together all the way to Mwanza. I think it will take like maybe 5 hours or 6 hours, something like that. We'll go all the way to Mwanza to take this trip again. It's incredible, man. Tanzania, Africa, celebrate, man. They're doing some interviews there. Danny, what I did? You're working right here, man. Kuna msafara bado halijaanza kushuka. Safari bajaji hapo. All of this is parking, man. Parking. I think they're still building it, but also they have like underground way. They have the jet. You have a border. You wanna go there? You get it there. All kind of trains, man. The second one as well. Hey, how are you, man? Apparently, we were with the leader in the train. I don't know. I didn't see him, or I didn't see, but I think they're interviewing him right there.
And we were being stopped outside there. I think.
Oh, really?
That was maybe just the president.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So this is Tanzania, as you can see, man. That's the one we came with, and also there's another train right here, still waiting. Right now, from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, you have like 4 different trips. The same thing from Dodoma to Dar es Salaam. So if you're coming from Dar es Salaam, you can actually ride from 6 a.m. in the morning, 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. And then evening as well, 6 p.m., 6:55 if I'm not mistaken. The same thing from Dodoma as well. You have kind of like 4 different trips, which is amazing. It's amazing, man. This is the game changer. Right now, I don't remember last time I rode a bus. Right now, even if I want to go to whatever, let's say I want to go to Iringa, man, I'm going to ride a train from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, and then I take a bus from Dodoma to Iringa. And I don't want to take flight. Just imagine. When it comes to flight, the price is like 200,050, 250,000, right? But train is 150. It's quite cheaper, it's quite affordable. You can choose, you can decide. If you don't want to pay like 120 for express, you can pay 31,000 for a normal one, which is okay. You can experience. It's a little bit tight and all that stuff, but I wanted to experience the royal trip. You know why? Because I'm a king, African king. Woo! Africa! Oh man, I need to do that. The TikTok kind of video as well.
Your shoes as well is looking good.
Oh yeah, come on. This is a loyal king. Loyal shoes, man. Loyal shoes, loyal bag, loyal vibe. Man. Let me do the TikTok.